Same work but different salary. Is it even fair enough? So, in this video, we are going to discuss one of the most landmark judgment of Supreme Court, that is Randhir Singh versus Union of India, in which the principle of equal pay for equal work is established by the Supreme Court under Article 14 and 16 by the reference of DPSP, that is Article 39D. So what happened in this case is, the facts of the case is like there is a driver named Randhir Singh who was working in the Delhi Police administrative force as a driver, who is the driver in the teleforce service. Okay, and what happened is, he noticed that the persons who are doing the same work, similar nature of work in the different departments, are getting higher salaries as compared to him. So he filed a writ petition under Article 32 in the Supreme Court, claiming that if the nature of the work is same, if they are doing the similar work but in the different department, then he is entitled to get the equal pay for equal work, because there is no discrimination among the nature of the work. Then Supreme Court held in this case that yes, equal pay for equal work cannot be expressly mentioned in any of the fundamental rights, but it can be recognized under the ambit of Article 14 and Article 16, that is right to equality and right to equal opportunity. And it has been inspired by the DPSP, that is Article 39D. So I hope that you very well understood about the case of Randhir Singh versus Union of India. Thanks for watching.